Hi, my name is Mona, and I'm the blind traveler. Follow me along to see what adventures I'll get into today. Today, I'm in Turkey.
A hop-on, hop-off drive.
Right above the Bosphorus, this is amazing! I'm riding the hop-on, hop-off bus tour here in Istanbul. This is something I highly recommend. It's like getting an abstract of the entire city. It's so beautiful. Pretty awesome location actually. There's a lot of cool historical places that we can see just from this square. First we have the Sultanahmet Mosque, which is also the Blue Mosque, right ahead. And then if we start panning to the left a little bit, we got to see the Hagia Sophia church slash mosque slash museum. Then we go and we continue panning, and not historical places, but this is where I got acquainted with street food in Turkey. We had some corn and something called smeed. Smeed is interesting. I think it's the Arabic word for semolina, but it was like a bread thing with Nutella in it. It's cool. Anyways, I hope that is a little bit interesting.
Hope you enjoyed The Blind Traveler. If so, like and subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications. And if you're interested to see how I travel as a blind person, check out my series, Planes, Trains, and Canes. The link is listed below.